So another listing guys, this is beside of a cemetery. So kilid sa menteryo. 3,149 square meters located in Barangay Alburquerque. Albor, Bohol. So near Tagbilaran City. The size is again is 3,149 square meters with a clean title at 2,000 pesos per square meter. So mahal-mahal na gyud guys no. Pero mahalin man sad ang pikas og 2,000 per square meter. So kuan ra sad, mao ra siya gisubay sa owner no. So mao ra man po sunod. Owner is following the price of the neighbor. So mao ra na guys no. This is pero if ever you are interested, you can still negotiate. So pwede ba nato ni man-negotiate no. Although the owner is not around, living outside of the country, to as US, to as Tate, USA, United States of America, to as siya dito nagpuyo. So mo na iyang i-for sale ilang property kay sa ila magyud ni sinunod din niya guys. Then at 2,000 pesos per square meter. Di lang ko maingon negotiable, just make an offer lang siguro guys no. This is beside to a cemetery. Kilid siya sa menteryo nya, near to the kuan pod guys, kining bag-ong inusor nga ng Memorial Park no. Sementeryo gyapon pero memorial lang siya, kanang kuan kanang memorial kanang menteryo nga private. Katong tapad adto nga lote beside of the lot we are selling is a public cemetery, and this one is mo na siya na guys no, anang Nirvana Memorial, mao na siya. This is a private. So nindot na kayo ni increase gyud ang imuhang presyo kay na may nagtukod. Then this is the kuan guys no, reservoir. What to pa is unahan. So nindot kay nga tong property for sale gihapon guys. So this is the road going to the highway, near to the highway. Then also guys, near to the properties we are selling, those 12,700 and 6 hectares. Tapos unahan ragamay guys no. Barato to, ranging already at 500 per square meter. So let's going back to the property we are selling no. The size is 3,149 square meters at 2,000 pesos per square meter. So this is the drone video guys no. Mo ang drone video. Naghan gyapon og kahoy no. There are so many trees around but there are already neighborhoods. So daghan sila. Number one, neighbor nimo is beside of the cemetery. So nindot gyapon ni nga investment guys. Di gyapon ni basta-basta. So very nice. Kuan gyud guys. Much better man gud guys kay you know Bohol is increasing naman gyud ang iyang kuan improvement like SM City Mall, puhon-puhon mo barog daghan pa and many more. Wala no. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So flat terrain na ni guys, flat terrain. Ano problema, flat terrain lagi. Okay, thank you very much and God bless to all. Then if you have properties, kung na kay mga yuta no, properties o house and lot for sale or subdivision or condominium, we will help you sell your property. Thank you.